another of the famous American training aircraft of the Second World War, demonstrating its less than stellar performance there. Lindbergh sets about developing his ST or Sport Trainer tandem two-seater family. Was trying to push the envelope. He always tried to be at the leading edge of aviation development. A remarkable man. Yes, the ST series all metal, apart from wooden wing spars. The STA was the first, A for aerobatic. Gradually introduced more powerful engines up to 150 horsepower Astro, as in this one. A few of the STAs December 1941, but at least 33 of the Navy ones were transported to Australia, and that's why this aircraft survives. It was built retired by the South African Air Force, and it took until 2016 for the final one on the British military register, which was flown as a test and trial support aircraft by Kinetic from Boscombe Down, to be retired and sold into civilian hands. As you say, it was totally irreplaceable. And of course there's still such demand for T6s, Harvards, etc. as trainers, for modern, as just that, as a conversion trainer. The Ryan, incidentally, was acquired in April 2020 by Arnaldo Leon, who had moved to London in 2011. He'd long hankered after a Ryan. He found this one for sale in the States, did a deal, had it transported to the UK, and it was first flown from Old Warden in March of last year, but we haven't seen it in a display until now, in those very distinctive markings of the Netherlands East Indies air arms. And Scott Butler was at the controls today,